Hi, my name is Rachel. I'm the new media editor here at Family Tree Magazine, and today I'm going to show you a simple method for creating and organizing family history binders. We've got more thorough instructions as well as printable instructions over on the website, so I'll be sure to link that in the description box below. This simple method creates one binder for a single family line, with one section for each ancestor. So step one is to get your supplies together. Here I have some dividers, some sheet protectors, and of course a binder. This is, I believe, a 2-inch binder. We usually recommend 1 inch per 40 pages if you're using sheet protectors, which is a roomy fit. Throughout this video, I'll be using some templates, which you can download for free from familytreemagazine.com, and I'll be sure to link each one in the description box below. So the first thing we're going to do is fill out a basic pedigree chart. This is a template from Family Tree Magazine. If your ancestors aren't numbered, give them a number starting with the most recent and methodically working back. Step 2 is preparing what we're going to call our ancestor information sheets. The purpose of these sheets is to provide basic information about each ancestor, include vital stats, marriages, children, and maybe a photo if you have one. And you're going to create one of these sheets for each ancestor in your pedigree chart. I've used our ancestor research worksheet, but the Creative Family Historian has some really nice looking biography sheets over on their store. Again, you can use whatever you like, I just think these look nice. Be sure to number your ancestor sheets according to what number they are on your pedigree chart. Once you've got that done, it's time to move on to the next step, which is to create an inventory of what records you have for each ancestor. Here I have one of our records inventory sheets. You might choose to flesh this section out a little more and create a short report on each ancestor, or you might choose to just skip this step altogether. And once you're done preparing all your sheets, it's finally time to assemble your binder. So it's pretty straightforward. The pedigree chart goes in first, and then you'll create one section for each ancestor according to their number on the pedigree chart. So first goes our pedigree chart. And then I'm going to create our first section for our first ancestor. So I'll go ahead and put in a divider. And then I'll begin each section with the ancestor information sheet or biography sheet, whatever you want to call them. And then I'll go ahead and include our records inventory. And then you'll just repeat this process until you've created a section for each ancestor in your pedigree chart. And then you're done. Some other sections you might want to include are maybe an index or a section for photos, maybe a timeline, or just a personal message from you. And that's it for this video. If you liked this kind of little tutorial style video, let us know with a like or a comment, and happy researching!